Can you convert a low-quality video to 1080p on iPhone? Let's explain what's actually possible and what's not. First, open the Photos app and select your video. Swipe up to see the video info. Here you can check the resolution and see how low the quality really is. You can't magically add new pixels to a low-resolution video. What you can do is upscale the video. That means stretching it to fit a 1080p frame. Open a video editor like CapCut. Start a new project and import the low-quality clip. When exporting, set the resolution to 1080p. This converts the video to HD size. If the video looks blurry, select the clip. Go to Adjust and increase sharpness or clarity slightly. This won't add detail, but it can improve how it looks. For best results, always record in high quality. But this method helps when you don't have that option. Like and subscribe for more iPhone video tips.